Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Students, we are in unit 3, that is customizing a Word document. And this is the last lesson of this unit, in which we will see that how we can print a document in MS Word. Printing a document. The document on the computer screen is called soft copy, while the document which we get from the printer is called hard copy. So this is the difference between soft copy and hard copy. Whatever we have inside our computer that we can see on the computer screen or on our laptop screen, so that is actually called soft copy of the document. And when we take the print out of that document on a paper, so that is called hard copy. And printer is a device which is used, a peripheral device which is used to make the hard copy of a document. So now the process of producing hard copy of a document on paper is called printing a document. This process is called printing a document. First of all, preview a document before printing. Normally we used to preview document before taking the printout of any document to know that how it will appear or how it will look like after printing on a paper. So how we can preview a document? We can preview a page or pages before printing. The preview shows that how it will appear after printing on the paper. In the next slide we will see that how we can see the preview of a document. The following steps are required for previewing and printing a document. First of all, click on the file menu and then select the print option. Upon clicking the print option, the print window will appear, which is shown here in this image. Here you can see that the print option is selected, and as a result this window appears, which is called print window. This window displays, or it previews the current page of our document, as well as some printing options are also there, which are related to the settings of the print command, or set all the settings which are related to printing the document. Print window shows the preview of your document as well as different print setting options. So all these things are here in this single print window, along with the preview of the current page of your document. You can also scroll up and down your whole document and see the preview of each and every page inside your Word document. Specify all the settings and then click print button to take the printout of the document. So it's very simple. All these setting options, we will discuss these different settings, different options which are given here in this print window in the upcoming video. So there you will better understand that what is the purpose of each and every option, and then we will see that what is the effect of all these different types of settings. So this is how you can preview a document, and you can take the printout of your document. The shortcut key for printing a document is Ctrl+P. In the next slide I will display a video in which we'll see that how we can take the printout of a document in MS Word. So let's watch the video. Okay, now I'm going to show you that how we can print a document. Let me open this Word document. The first thing you have to do is just to click on this file button or tab. When we click on it, you will see that a menu will appear. Here in this menu, when you click on the print option, just click on it. So here it shows the preview of the document or the current page, preview of the current page in the document where the cursor is placed. It is shown. You can scroll down the other pages of the document from here, this scroll bar. So it will show you the preview of the document, that how the text will appear on the pages. Further, on the other side, you can see the different properties related to the print command, like for example, how many copies do you want to make of these of this document. If you want to make a single copy, so by default the copy number of copies are 1. You can also increase or decrease the number of copies. Second, printer. It shows that which printer you want to use for printing. Sometimes there may be multiple printers available on the network, or they are connected with the computer, so you have to select that specific printer from this drop down menu for printing. Whenever we connect a printer with our computer and we install the driver of that printer, so those printers are automatically listed over here, and we can select those printers from here. Further, you can add printers for printing. So when we install the printer, normally automatically the Microsoft Word detects that printer and it is listed over here. Further, here print all pages. If you want to print all the pages which are present in this document, if those pages are 100 or 50 or 60, so for that purpose you should select print all pages. Sometimes we just want to print the current page on which the cursor is placed, so for that reason you have to click print current page. So only that current page where the cursor is placed will be printed. Or sometimes we want to specify the number of pages or different pages that we want to take the printout of. So for that purpose you have to select the custom print. Custom print says type specific pages, sections or ranges. Like when I select this one, here you can see this open space appears. It shows pages, means I can specify the range and I can specify the exact page numbers. Like for example, if I want to take the printout of page number 2, comma, page 5, comma, page 7. So this will take the printout of only page number 2, 5 and 7. Further, if I just want to take the printout of page 3 to 6, so I can specify the range like this, 3 to 6. It means that this will take the printout of page number 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is how you can specify different pages while printing a document if you are not taking the printout of all pages. So different pages can be specified in two ways. Whether you want to specify the range, so this is how you can specify the range, and if you want to specify the individual pages, so for that purpose you can use the comma. So let's say we are going to print all the pages, so in that case you don't have to specify any specific page because you want to take the printout of all the pages. Another option, that print one-sided. Some printers are capable of printing on both sides of the page, so you can also use that option. If you want to print on both sides, so you can select for both sides, but normally print one-sided is the default option, only print on one side of the page. So that is the default option. Okay, collate or uncollate. Collate means that whenever we are making multiple copies of the same document, so in that case this collate option may be used. Like collate means that it will print page 1 2 3 again 1 2 3 again 1 2 3 if you are making multiple copies. Another option, uncollate, means that if we are making 3 copies of the same document, so first it will take 3 copies of the first page, then 3 copies of the second page, then 3 copies of the third page. So that is called uncollate. So it depends on you that how, in which manner you want to take the printout of the document or make the multiple copies of the document. Further, you can change the orientation of the page. If you want to take the printout on the page vertically or in portrait orientation, so select the portrait orientation, otherwise select the landscape orientation, and the printer will take the printout on the landscape orientation of the paper. Here different size papers are shown. It depends on you that what kind of paper you are using for printing. Normally we use A4 size papers, letter size papers, or legal papers in offices. So you can select any of these papers, depends on your stationery or the type of paper that you are using. If you are using the A4, so select A4 size paper, and you will see that the preview is also changed according to the page width and length. Here you can see, if I select the letter, so the orientation is changed and the preview is also changed because the length and width varies. These are different standards of pages available in the market that is used for printing purposes. Okay, 1 page per sheet, 2 pages per sheet. So different options are here. Although these options are not given in your book, but you just have to know that what is the purpose of these different options. Further, other options are given in the page setup. When you click on it, so here you can change the page margins, etc., page layout. From here the page size can also be changed, layout can also be changed. Different options are here, so you can use all of these options for printing. Once you have decided all these options, you have specified all these different kinds of options, then you just need to click on the print button and you will see that the printer will take the printout of your document. But make sure that your printer is properly connected with your laptop or computer and its driver is properly installed in your computer and the printer is switched on. So inshallah I'll demonstrate these things practically once the school is open. I will arrange a printer for all of you in computer lab and I will take the printout in front of all, so you will better understand that how we can take the printout in MS Word. So I hope you have understood the concept. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Okay students, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. And this was the last lesson of this unit, that is unit 3, customizing a Word document. And still, if you have any question regarding this unit, so you can ask me in the comments and I will try my best to answer your questions. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.